Hello everyone and welcome to Stitchin' Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Today I want to bring you guys my FO, that's right, I only have a finished object. It is very exciting. This is my first actual wearable. I've made ponchos and shawls and hats and gloves and things, but my actual wearable, this is my first one. This is a tutorial by Sweet Miss Jennifer over at Cinnamon Stitches, and she, during her tutorial, asked that, as usual when she does tutorials, asked that if anyone wants to or makes her project, she would like for them to show her. She said if you have the Facebook, on here is what we call it, the Facebook or Instagram, you could email her, send her a picture those ways. But also, she made it as a challenge, and she tagged people. If you're a podcaster and you make this, she wants us to make a video. So, hello. If you're watching this right now, this is my fangirl moment. I need you to know, okay? So, this is my hello, how are you? Thank you for everything you do to Miss Jennifer over at Cinnamon Stitches. I've been watching her since before she had 2,000 subscribers. I was one of those before 2000s. I've watched her for a long time. Love her and everything about her. And so yeah, I just thought that was so cool. It's if you make this, then feel free to tag yourself. And I was just like, okay. So I'm gonna show you guys what I accomplished. This is her Summer Breeze tank top. So summer breeze makes me feel fine, that kind of a thing, okay? So I made this. I just now realized that I don't have my bands, my yarn bands, but that's okay. I'll put a picture at the end and you guys will know what kind of yarn it is. Alright, cool. So anyway, are we ready for the reveal? Here we go. Sorry about that. Inappropriate. Okay, here we go. I have a black tank top on underneath it, but that's okay. That's okay, that's okay. Okay, so I made it using the I Love This Yarn Spark. So it's the sparkle. This is the one that I got for 94 cents at the Hobby Lobby clearance, and my plan was to make something and donate it. And then I saw her tutorial and just kept thinking about that top and this yarn. I kind of couldn't stop thinking about it, and then I decided it's the perfect top for an outdoor music festival. So even though it's kind of still COVID and nothing's really going on, I'm going to just pretend I'm at an outdoor music festival, and so that's what I'm doing. So anyway, this is my hippie shirt. But yeah, and it's not as long as I would like for it to be. I wanted it to come down for this front part to come down past my knees, and this side part to at least come past my booty, but I ran out of yarn, and it's cell yarn, so it is what it is. So this is how long it is. My husband thinks it's a perfect length. He likes it, so it's okay. But I thought it turned out really pretty, and I like the sparkle. I'm all about the sparkle and the bling. Plus I got to tutorial something. I got to make something right along with Miss Jennifer over at Cinnamon Stitches. So I may have the hubby take a little video of me outside kind of showing it off, and I'll show you guys what yarn I used. But like I said, it's I Love This Yarn Cotton in Spark, so it's got the blingies in it, and it's black. I don't know the name, and I'm sorry. It's black, and it has blue and green flecks in it, and it couldn't be prettier. And now I want to make another one because it's so pretty. I would like to make a really long one and make a dress. I think that would be neat, kind of a cover up for but we'll see. Just go ahead and add that to my list over here of things that I would like to make. So anyway, so this ended up not being donate yarn. I guess I could donate the shirt, but I really wanted a wearable that wasn't a poncho or a shawl or a hat or gloves or socks. That's all that I've made so far. So I've made this, so maybe next I'll make the super cool hippie pants that Lisa over at Lisa's Crochet made, because I remember watching those like last summer or the summer before. They're the coolest pants ever. And so maybe I'll make this and that, and then ladies, that's an outfit. So, you know, anyway. Alright, so thank you guys so very much for watching. Please check out Jennifer over at Cinnamon Stitches. If you've not, I feel like surely y'all are in the loop and you have. If not, I don't know what rock you're under, but go ahead and kick that off. Go check her out. She will be linked below, which is just so cool. I get to link her below one of my videos, y'all. But anywho, so, okay. So this should be a hashtag, it will be a hashtag, should be lit up. Y'all know how I am with the technology. It doesn't always help me and doesn't always apply to me, maybe. But anyway, so yeah. This should be a hashtag, should be able to check everybody's out, but I'm so happy with it. I love it so much. So yeah, I really want to make another one. And it's like once you get past a certain point, it's kind of just like this mindless project, and as long as you're, you know, making sure you're on the right stitch and you don't get crazy in the end, like in the corners, it's kind of like a mindless, just fun project. You can make it as short or as long as you want to, so that's fun too. So thank you, Jennifer, for this pattern, because I love it. It's like the perfect summer top. Today's Father's Day, and I got to wear it today, so it's very cool. We're just hanging out in the yard. My husband's making them ribs, so, you know. Anyway, but yeah. So we're just hanging out. So, like I said, I'm going to pretend we're going to play music loud and pretend like it's an outdoor concert. Get my summertime outdoor concert shirt going. So, anyway, you guys be sure to check her out. She will be linked below. Thank you all so very much for watching this. Hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.